Well, I used to have a mini excavator. That's a pile of junk. Took the top off, took all this apart. The ignition switch fried, so I wired up a new one. That don't work. Popped a dozen fuses till I figured out the right way, kinda, to hook it up. Shut everything off, switch is off, and then all of a sudden everything down in here fried. So now I gotta take this whole back end off, figure out how to take everything apart. Probably gotta disconnect the hydraulics from the joysticks. They come up through the bottom. Can't take the green cover off without taking all those out somehow. All that just to get to the front of this motor. There's the battery. At first I thought that was dead, until I looked at the ignition switch. These all had power. The switch was corroded and toast. And I gotta figure out how to get in there. Tons of smoke came out. Looks like I got no oil. It was all jerky when I drove it. I needed to adjust this. I adjusted this one down here. I think that was like right and left, pivoting. These are all the controls. But now it's fried. Good old Chinese. Pile of junk now.